Hello everyone. Suppose you have names like chair, computer, mouse, keyboard, and suppose if I move my mouse, okay, and it should display the image of chair or computer or something like that. That what you can do is uh, right click, obviously insert the comment, okay, but not on the given cell, obviously. Instead of that, you have to use this cell only for comment. Chair, remove. Obviously, I'm going to remove my name and right click and format comment and select colors and lines, select the fill effects, select the picture from here from a file and suppose chair and insert. Okay, okay. So now if I move my mouse, it should display what? Chair. Same way you can go ahead with the computer also, same procedure. Computer, right click, insert comment, will remove my name and here right click and format comment, and again here also color, fill effects and picture, then select picture, then from a file, and it is a computer, and then insert and okay and okay. So something like this. And likewise you can go ahead for mouse also and keyboard also. Thank you everyone.